Good morning to one and all. I am Mrs. Smita Mangurkar, an English teacher in Tulzaram Chaturchand College, Baramati. Tulzaram Chaturchand College of Arts, Science and Commerce is one of the leading and prestigious college in Maharashtra. Our motto, "We for the students," is at the heart of everything we do at the college. It gives me immense joy and a sense of fulfillment to welcome each one of you, dear parents, and their precious children. Welcome again to our lovely and respective family, that is Tulzaram Chaturchand College family, Anekant family. I hope all of you are fit and fine there. All of you know, dear students, the petrifying and severe impact of COVID-19 has shaken the world to its core. Further, most of the governments round the world have temporarily closed educational institutions in an attempt to contain the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. In India too, the government, as a part of the nationwide lockdown, has closed all educational institutions, as a consequence of which learners from school-going children to postgraduate students are affected. To overcome the problem, the government has come with e-learning program. E-learning also comes as an interesting and interactive alternative as compared to classroom teaching. Therefore, students, our college also decides to start online classes for 11th standard students also. Now, it's not possible for you to visit the college actually, but I know that all of you are very eager to know more and more information about our college. That is Tulzaram Chaturchand College of Arts, Science and Commerce. So let us see the beautiful journey and information about our college in the video.
With the vision of providing quality education to students of various strata of the society, the founding stone of Tulzaram Chaturchand College, Baramati were kept in the year 1962. The college has been formed with the efforts of numerous people.
Our society is a religious minority institute, and we thrive well with the preamble of Siddhir Nekantan, means knowledge from all the dimensions.
119 विद्यार्थ्यांना कॉलेज सुरू झाले. आज जवळजवळ 12,000 विद्यार्थ्यांवर पोहोचलेले आहे. हे कॉलेज ग्रामीण भागातलं सगळ्यात मोठं कॉलेज म्हणून आज गणलं जात आहे.
The college is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University.
We are willing to empower the youth to skill and career-oriented educational and vocational programs so that he will be full-fledged for grabbing the opportunities for his career.
The college has a well-qualified team of experienced teaching staff who are always ready to help, assist, guide, and motivate the students. Regular meetings are conducted to keep a track of the development of the students and to plan new activities for their growth. Providing various streams of education under one roof makes Tulzaram Tujaram Chaturchand College, a renowned academic institution. With such numerous courses being provided in the college, the administrative department continuously and promptly maintains a smooth flow of activities in a well-managed manner. The college focuses on imparting career-oriented quality education at par with global standard. The senior college offers 3 streams: arts, commerce, and science. The college offers 22 different courses for graduation as well as post-graduation in various departments like Geography Department, Psychology Department, Yoga Department, Bachelor of Vocation Program of UGC in 2 disciplines: Food Processing and Post-Harvest Technology and Journalism and Mass Communication. The college has well-equipped laboratories where students, under the guidance of their professors, learn and conduct various experiments. The Electronics Department. In the research arena, the Botany Department had set up their own botanical garden, well-equipped biology labs. IT Department has well-equipped computer lab with Wi-Fi internet facility where students can develop their computer science skills. The classrooms are well designed with projection facilities, and the students are encouraged to have better understanding of their subject with friendly interaction with the teachers. The college campus is built with a central library which has a huge setup of numerous books of various streams. Student can access the library and read on various subjects to gain an in-detail knowledge. There is a reading hall adjoined to the library where the students can peacefully study and take note on various topics of their interest. If a student wants to get some additional information on this subject, TC College also provides an internet cafe. The college has a huge auditorium, Jivraj Sabhagriha, with all the modern facilities where around the year numerous events and functions are conducted for cultural educational growth of the students. Along with academics, the college has given equal importance to physical development of the student by providing innumerable sports activities like volleyball for boys and girls, kabaddi, basketball, boxing for boys and girls. The college has trained and developed some great sports persons who have won remarkable awards on various national and international platforms. The college provides NCC training where the cadets are given basic military training in small arms and parades. The cadets are well trained and given preference over normal candidates during selections. The officers provide good training and discipline education to the students. The NSS activities are conducted by the students like street plays to bring awareness in the society. Plantation, construction of bunds and many others. And for these activities, the college has received various recognition and awards for their contribution towards society. Since 41 years, the college has been organizing a Moropant elocution and debating competition every year, which is a state-level competition. The college publishes an annual magazine called Anekan to motivate the creative skills of our students by providing a platform where they can publish their poems, articles, and their opinions.
या संस्थेने प्रगती करत असताना आम्ही MBA कॉलेजची नवीन बिल्डिंग बांधली आणि एका इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल म्हणून नवीन बिल्डिंग बांधून त्या ठिकाणी सुरुवात केली. या ग्रामीण भागामध्ये हे कॉलेज सुरू होत असताना इथल्या मुलींची निश्चितपणे एक चांगल्यापैकी व्यवस्था झाल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही. कारण सहसा मुली बाहेरगावी पाठवायला पालक तयार नसतात, पण हे कॉलेज सुरू झाले म्हणजे त्या मुलींना चांगल्या शिक्षणाचं दार उपलब्ध करून देण्यासारखं होईल.
स्त्रियांच्या आरोग्यावर शिबिरं आयोजित केली जातात.
The college also fulfills its social responsibility by conducting various events of awareness and confidence building in women. And to build a healthy environment, it also conducts the activity of plantation. The institute has also received various government funds for its welfare and further development.
Our institute is NAAC re-accredited with a B grade. Also, we have undergone ISO certification 9001. The college has received the funding for DST Physics program. The institute is recipient of Star College status from DBT.
The college has also got various funds like College with Potential for Excellence and has won many recognition and awards in various fields.
We are seeking that the student should be at the excellence at par, not only in academics, but in other activities like sports, competitive career, as well as the vocational skills.
The teaching department over here is very much friendly. We have a library which includes books from all the streams. We have achieved many prizes of national and state level. The college has boosted our confidence. The computer science department of a college has well-equipped laboratory.
Teaching staff here is good at transforming student attitude and creating better individuals.
The days are not far ahead that this institute will be a benchmark not only in Maharashtra or India, but at the global scenario.
This is the journey of Tuljaram Chaturchand College, where it has enriched and nurtured hidden talent of students from various strata of the society and transformed them into confident and responsible citizens to excel in all walks of life.
After watching this video, I think all of you got an idea about the aims and objectives of our college. You also gained an idea about college campus, well-designed classrooms, well-equipped laboratories, IT department with Wi-Fi facilities, botanical garden, vocational buildings, college library, auditorium hall that is Jivraj Sabhagruha, and administrative office. Now, let us turn to our junior college. This is our junior college building. Now I am very happy to introduce you our honorable all-rounder personality, dedicated, creative, motivated, and always enthusiastic, that is our principal sir, Dr. C.V. Murumkar sir. Recently, he has received the Best Principal Award, and our college also got the Best College Award. Afterwards, this is our junior college building. So here we have principal office, that is vice principal office, junior college, two staff rooms and 26 well-designed classrooms. Now, I am very happy to introduce again that afterwards the dashing personality and the power of our girls and women, our junior college vice principal, Mrs. Vaishali Mai, Department of Biology. Then the senior sir but energetic and lively personality of our junior college, that is the coordinator of Arts and Commerce faculty, Mr. Rajendra Agaune sir. And then the young and enthusiastic personality of our junior college coordinator of science, that is Mr. Gorakhnath More sir, Department of Maths. So our college is committed for preparing our students for the life beyond the college gates to ensure they truly are world-ready students. We provide our students different opportunities to prepare them to enter into a globalized society where digital communication will define and shape their lives. For this purpose, only our college arranges different activities for our students. So, in this picture, we can see different activities conducted in our college. So, let us see different activities. Academic activities, elocution competitions, that is Kavivarya Moropant elocution competition and debate competition. Then we conduct Dr. Karmavir Bhaurao Patil elocution competition. Second, Parents Teacher Committee meetings, that is PTA. Teachers Day celebration. Education visits, that is educational visits, that is arts. These visits are for arts faculty, commerce faculty as well as science faculty. Science club, we have science club in our college. Through this club, the students can visit to science institutions, different science institutions, and they can inculcate their knowledge in science. Then the next activity we run in our college is celebration of Independence Day and Republic Day. Then we have career guidance lectures. We have guidance for UPSC, MPSC, JEE, CET, NEET and other competitive examinations. We have guest lectures in our college, and then we have different programs for women, that is women empowerment programs. Then many students, they have received many awards for sports also. So we conduct sports activities, environmental activities. Our college, we provide platform to all the students to inculcate their inner qualities and to find out their hidden qualities, and therefore we run or we conduct the program like Anekant Avishkar in our college, and Khaugalli is the specialty of that program. That means here in Khaugalli, students themselves prepare the food with their own hands, and that food is really very tasty. So we are very thankful to our bakery department for that. Then every year, that means we publish Anekant magazine annually. Apart from all these activities, our students can join the extra language certificate courses. These courses are also available in our college, such as French or Germany language, or they can also join other certificate courses. So in this way, academic as well as curricular activities students can participate. Now this is about college. Now let's turn to our department. So let us meet our English department. See, in this picture you can see the subject in charge of our subject, that is English subject, Professor Kshitija Doshi. Then in the next slide you can see the different photos of English department staff. So the first one is Mr. Krantilal Gaikwad, second Mr. Yogesh Sonna, and last one is me, Mrs. Smita Mangudkar. So in this way I introduced all the English staff members to you. So I think all of you got an idea about our college, And once again, I welcome you all, and I think that all of you are very happy to join this college. So thank you so much.